Good morning, Mr. Alankrit. You are from which
Morning,
place?
sir. Sir, I am from Pandit Deendayal Upadhyaya Nagar, Uttar Pradesh, but currently residing in Hyderabad because I am working right now.
Acha, where are you working?
Sir, currently I am working at Deloitte, Hyderabad, whereby I am responsible for analyzing the financial statements and conducting the testing of various components in the financial statements such as operating expenses, cash, etc.
Acha. So, whose statements are you supervising? Is it American companies or
No,
Indian
sir.
companies?
It's a UK-based firm, means I am mainly aligned to UK-based firms. So the financial statements pertain to them only.
Okay, good. Is there any difference in treatment of balance sheet in India and balance sheet in UK?
Sir, there are differences which pertains to regulatory norms, but after the regulation like IRFS is there, so there are not major differences in the preparation of balance sheet and income statement because IRFS is getting followed all over the world. So yes, regulatory norms can be different, but the format is same.
Hmm. Good, excellent. Now, you are appearing. What can you tell me about yourself?
Sir, my name is Alankrit Kumar and I am from Pandit Deendayal Upadhyaya Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I am working as a senior analyst at Deloitte Hyderabad. Prior to this, I was working at SG Analytics Pune, and in both the companies, I am basically responsible to analyze the financial statements and conducting the test of various balance sheet and income statement components. Talking about my education, I have completed my MBA from Pune University in finance major and marketing minor branches. And talking about my graduation, I have completed Bachelor of Commerce from Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapit, Varanasi. So that's all about me, sir.
So tell me about your family.
Sir, in my family, I have my father and mother only.
So only single child.
Yeah, I am a single child.
Yeah. Now, where are they living?
Sir, they are living in Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Nagar, which is my hometown.
Acha. It is nearer
Yes.
to which big city?
It's nearer to Varanasi.
Oh, great, 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 great. If you tell Varanasi, they will ask more questions relating to Varanasi about the
Yes,
gods, about the industries, about the Banaras Hindu University, about
yes, sir.
Vishwanath temple, then
Yes, sir.
some gods, so many, and also about Modi's election, this type of things you will be asked. So
Yes, sir.
for you, who is the MP?
It's Earlier it was Mahendranath Pandey, but Mr. Singh has been elected right now because after this particular election which was conducted recently. I don't know the full name of him, but his surname is Singh. So Mr. Singh
He
is
belongs
the
to which party?
he belongs to this Samajwadi Party.
Oh, good. Samajwadi Party has gained a lot of seats now this time, isn't it?
Yes, yes, sir.
Samajwadi Party. Good. So, what do you think was the reason for BJP not faring well this time in Uttar Pradesh?
Sir, there could be various reasons. For me, one of the big reason is there are not enough employment opportunities over there. Accepted that not all the people will get the government jobs or will get the jobs because of upskilling. There is a scope of upskilling over there. But yes, the people who are capable of getting the job are also not getting the job, so youth is not favoring them according to what I have analyzed because once they go to give the exam, the news comes that the paper was leaked and their hard work always goes in vain. And talking about the private sector as well, there are not so many IT firms. There are no IT parks over there. Means they are very limited, and they all are substituted into some areas of UP, like some of in Lucknow and in Noida, not all over the UP. Means some upgradation we need over there apart from infrastructure development. Yes, infrastructure development is very good. It's phenomenal in the recent years. But apart from that, we need that as well. Employment opportunities are very necessary.
Yeah, that is right. That is why much talked about Ayodhya. Even there, our BJP lost the seat. It seems the people of the local people were put into lot of hardships on account of the the city development, and
Yeah.
probably they are not happy with whatever compensation they are being given.
So youth is not happy with them,
Yeah, youth,
basically.
the present day youth are not happy because number of vacancies for jobs is very less. That is the
Yes.
main reason. Good, you told very nicely. Deloitte,
Thank you.
you said you are joined as a senior analyst.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between junior analyst and senior analyst?
Sir, talking about difference between junior analyst and senior analyst. So senior analyst basically bridging the gap between the junior analyst and the team leader. It means it has certain responsibilities which he gets from team lead as well, like assigning the roles, assigning the task to junior analyst as well as other senior analysts, and managing the tickets on the portal. Like we have our own portal in which we plan the tickets accordingly every day, so that everyone can get their work and complete their work on time.
How long
So
do you work
we,
every day?
sir, 8 hours.
Only 8 hours, or sometimes you may have to work beyond that because somebody has not come like that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. During busy seasons, we expect to work around 10 hours, but now currently it's not that workload, so it's currently 8 hours only.
When you work for 10 hours, do they compensate you?
Yeah, yeah, they compensate.
They give overtime wages.
Yes, yes.
Very good. What is the salary like for you now?
Sir, it was earlier it was 7.2 LPA, but right now it has been revised. So I'm getting around 60K per month.
Mhm. Go 60K means 7.2 only na. Same thing.
Sir, it's in hand 7.2, but the CTC is 8.5. Not CTC, it's the base one, 8.5,
Mhm.
which uh, includes other benefits as well.
Mhm. Good. That's right. Why do you want to join our PNB?
Sir, I want to join the bank as a credit officer because my qualification, experience, and my knowledge pertains to this credit officer role very much. And I think this credit officer role will set a tone of my career where I want to go. And it will also help me to grow in my lifespan. And also the work will be not very much monotonous, like it will involve critical thinking. Like we will have to think, we will have to analyze the property of the not property, we will have to appraise the loan properly, so that the loan should not go to NPA. So it will involve critical thinking as well, apart from the routine task. So that's why I am very much interested in this particular role.
Can you tell me the principles of lending that banks are to following?
Yeah, so there are few principle of lending. The first one is safety. We should be assured that the loan is safe, and for that we need to check the credit worthiness of the client. And after this, we need to check for the liquidity. The loan should be able to generate the money time to time, so that the bank should get their earnings and can maintain the adequate level of profit. Diversification is there because we will have to diversify the loans. because once we will if we will centralize our loan to one industry only, there are chances that it might go uh, the industry can go in loss, and therefore our loan portfolio will also go in loss, and certainly bank will not be able to earn the profit.
What is
And
RTGS? What is RTGS?
sir, it's a payment method which stands for real time gross settlement.
You can say it is a remittance, not payment, remittance.
Yeah,
What is
remittance.
underwriting?
Sir, underwriting is something which means uh, the writing of assets and taking the position something. Sorry, sir, I am not getting it right now
The
properly.
arrangement by which investment bankers undertake to acquire any unsubscribed portion of a primary issuance of security is known as underwriting. It is there in a material I have given you, TBTQA
Yes, sir.
set 18.
Okay, sir, I will look
TBT,
into it.
TBTQA 18.
Okay, sir, I will look into it.
Mm. I think, do you know about stock markets and its terms?
Yes, sir, I know few terms, not all, but
But
I know few
if
terms.
you have, did you go through this paper or not? This,
Sir, which,
this one I will show you.
yeah. Uh,
This one, last one.
no, sir, not yet.
You have not studied this.
No, sir.
Here only that underwriting also came.
Yeah, yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, good. Now let me ask something else for you. This is what I prepared,
Yeah, yeah,
First,
this I saw, sir.
this one.
Yeah.
Can you tell us why you must be selected?
Sir, I think I am I am very much capable of doing the credit appraisal, and this credit analysis role is very much aligned to my skills, my knowledge, and my qualification. And moreover, it also involves critical thinking. So, after having the 3 years of experience, I have gained some industry exposure
Can
and
you
have
can
developed
you
an
can
acumen.
you tell me can you tell me the types of companies that are there? Limited companies, joint stock companies. What are the different types of companies that have come into nowadays?
Uh, Sorry, sir, I haven't studied this
Why private limited
list.
company, public limited company, one man
Yes, sir.
company, a limited liability, that is partnership, LLP. But basically, these are the things you can say. One man company is a new company that has been started now in this
Yes.
2013 Companies Act. And you should also go through difference between 1956 Companies Act and Companies Act 2013.
2013. Yes.
Can you explain what is debentures?
Sir, debentures are basically fixed income securities in which the share of the company is not aligned, but they are the types of fixed income security. And
No, no. See,
It's
you are
basically a
what
long-term.
happened? You have told fixed income securities two times. See, you
Yes, sir.
you are going to tell as a third party what is debenture. Debenture is a loan document issued by a company for raising loan from the public.
Yes, sir.
Shares are the document issued by the company to shareholders for the investment made by them in the capital, equity capital. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Good. See, they can ask you this question. Tell the major changes relating to balance sheet in a revised Schedule 6 of Companies Act 1956. But of course, this will be asked mostly for chartered accountants, not for you, but still. Now,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me about, can you answer this question? Accounting standards, what is this?
Sir, accounting standards are basically the principle on which the accounting means the financial statements are formed, means the accounting treatments are done.
What are the different patterns?
Sir, I don't know all of them,
Here,
but there are some.
Wikipedia tells about India accounting standards,
Yes, sir.
IND AS. So please read this. I don't know whether they will ask, but better to know this.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, can you tell me the banking scenario in our country at present? What are the different types of banks that are functioning and who is controlling them like that? Briefly tell me.
Sir, there are various types of banks currently operating in our country. So it's basically the first one is commercial banks. So commercial banks are the banks which are operating in full fledged, like giving the loans to industry, accepting the deposits from public. And apart from this, they are also targeting some priority sector as well. And there are regional rural banks as well, which
No,
are
no, no,
basically
no, no.
aligned.
For commercial, see, actually, the question was, what are the different types of banks? For that, you don't have to explain about what is a commercial bank doing. You need not have done that. But if you start doing it, you must tell it fully. Like they do deposits, advances, they also do para banking. Then they issue letter of credit, they issue guarantees, they give various retail loans, and also they give export credit, something like that. They give various uh, mobile apps for the people to operate, internet banking, FASTag, जो कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं, and priority sector advances, like that, everything you have to say. But for the question I asked, the answer expected is you should have told me we have public sector banks. If at all you want to tell detail, you can tell. There are 12 public sector banks in our country. So many private sector banks in our country. So many foreign banks in our country. So
Yes,
many
sir.
regional rural banks in our country. Like that, you must speak out. Tell me,
Yes.
try again, try again.
Yes, sir. Sir, there are three categories in which the banks have been divided in our country. So the first one is public sector banks, the second one is private sector banks, and the third one is foreign banks. So talking about the public sector banks basically includes the banks in which the government has the more capacity, more number of shares. So
No,
talking
no,
about the public sector banks.
you don't have use the word more. Use the word 51% and above.
Yes, sir, 51% and above sharing. And there are five major public sector banks. The first one is PNB, no, PNB, SBI, and
No, first public
Union
sector
Bank of
bank,
India.
first public sector bank is SBI.
Yes, sir. Sir, it was not in the sequence. It was just
Yeah, other second one is PNB. Correct. Tell me.
PNB. Yes.
Now,
And Yes, sir.
No, I don't tell the names of banks now. Go to next set of banks.
Yeah, so it includes commercial banks. So commercial banks is basically aligned to giving the loans, means advances, and accepting the deposits to public. Apart from this, they are also aligned to various facilities such as letter of giving the issuing the letter of credit, issuing the performance guarantee, and so on. They are also aligned to give the short-term working capital loans facilities such as cash credit, overdraft, etc. And the next is regional rural banks. So these banks are basically aligned to rural areas and focusing on the develop means giving the bank facilities in the rural areas
How
to the
many are
people
there?
over there.
How many are there? 43.
Uh, 43 rural banks are there,
Hmm.
and
Regional. Then how many foreign
regional
banks are
rural
there?
banks.
How many foreign banks?
Sir, not sure,
Roughly
sir.
42. Roughly 42. Why are they called foreign banks?
Sir, it's basically because they are operating in India from some another location in which they have headquarter outside India.
Super. Good answering. Then after telling this, you should also tell about small finance banks, payment banks, that also you should learn. You please study about them so that you can talk
Sure,
about
sir.
it correct.
I will look into
And
this.
then you have to talk about cooperative banks also.
Yes,
Then
sir. I was coming to that only.
apart from that, preliminary agricultural credit societies. Apart from that, you should also say money lenders, no unorganized sector money lenders, and in fact, non-banking finance companies are also there. They also
Yes,
give loans and they also do some part of the banking facilities like collecting fixed deposits, etc. So, like that, you should
yes,
tell. And if they ask you, they will ask which are the names of famous NBFC in your state. You must know at least 4 or 5 NBFCs famous. In Tamil Nadu, I know that is Shriram Transport, then Sundaram Finance, then Tamil Nadu State Transport Corporation. Like that, there are some companies. So you please get
yes,
to know the names of non-banking finance companies also.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now we are coming to credit.
yes, sir.
Please tell me what are the principles of lending bankers to follow?
Sir, there are certain principles which banks should follow. The first one is safety. Second one is liquidity. Third one is profitability. The fourth one is purpose, and the fifth one is diversification. Sir, do you want me to elaborate all
No,
this?
no, not necessary. Actually, if you tell that, that will do. If they want you to tell me what is diversity, they will ask you.
Okay.
Now,
So shall I? Yeah.
not required. Now I will tell you. After this one, next question is what have you gone through PNB website thoroughly or not?
Sir, I have gone through the financial statements of PNB,
Then
not
please tell
website.
me about that. Please tell me about that.
Sir, so the basically I saw is current global deposits are around 13 lakh 69,773, and current domestic deposits are around 13 lakh 33,000, and gross NPA is around 5.73% for the financial year 2024, and net NPA is 0.73%.
Good. Then some more figures may also be required, like net profit for the entire year or quarter, then return on assets, return on equity, then GNPA, NNPA percentages, then
Yes,
CRAR, capital risk weighted asset ratio. That
okay, sir.
also, please read them all thoroughly because there will
Yes,
be a question about can you tell what are the retail loans we are giving? So then you must be able to tell about that. Okay,
sure, sir.
good. Can you tell us something about Deloitte company?
Sir, Deloitte is basically operating in the four. It's mainly located, headquartered in UK, London. Sorry, London, UK. I sorry, sir.
Hmm.
Yeah. So current this CEO is the CEO of Deloitte is Mr. Joe Yukuzo, and current earnings, the revenue of the company was around $63.9 billion, and it basically operating into audit and accounting domain.
Recently, talking about this, hmm, one bank has crossed some mark, some $100 billion market capitalization yesterday. Did you see it in the news? Which bank is
No,
that?
sir.
No, it is ICICI Bank. I have posted a video also on that. Please go through that.
Okay, sir. Sir, market
IC
capitalization is the market price multiplied by number of shares,
issued
share. Yeah,
of the company. That's all.
yeah.
And it may vary. For example, in the case of State Bank, once it went up above 8 crore, 8 billion, but suddenly, 8 trillion, suddenly it came down. Rupees.
Yes, yes, sir. It varies. It will depend on the market price of the security, right?
Yeah. Today it is good. Today it is good. Please go through the news also. Okay. Can you
Yes,
tell some current affair news?
yes, sir. One of the news I read from my
Irke.
area means
Irke.
from Uttar Pradesh.
Hmm.
Sir, one I read that Purvanchal Cooperative Bank RBI has cancelled its license of
Hmm.
operations because of not enough earnings and
Purvanchal is
operations.
from Purvanchal is in Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, sir. Means
Oh, but
earlier it was divided in regions. Now
but
it's not very much known.
actually, one more bank has also been stopped. City Cooperative Bank
Okay, sir.
in Maharashtra. City Cooperative Bank. No, no. 1 minute. Just a minute. Hold on.
Yes, sir.
Mm,
Sir, is it started or is it cancelled by RBI? Means the license got cancelled by RBI.
yeah. So I was talking about what?
City Cooperative Banks.
Yeah, City Cooperative Bank is a bank that has been liquidated on 19th June. So,
Okay.
like that, you must update your knowledge now and then also. So, very good. You have been above average candidate as far as my expectation is concerned. So, best
Thank you, sir.
wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Yeah,
Thank you,
just
sir.
a minute.
Have a good
I'll
day, sir.
stop. 1 minute. I'll stop this.